Rainbow Drive. It's the Rainbow Drive. See the line? It's a big line. So you want the Saimin bowl and what else? And the pork plate, right? So this is the line at the Rainbow Drive one. It's waiting online. It's like 3 windows, I think. Window 2 and 1. So we get underneath there. There's the pork plate. And that's busy there. That's the Saimin, that's the noodle soup. So this is the plate, pork plate. It's got macaroni, which tastes pretty homemade actually. So that's you know, it's pretty good, this macaroni salad. And then Drew's got the Saimin gravy fries, which to me look the same as East Street. It's good. Not bad. It's got a lot of gravy on it. Okay. This here is what they call the plate. So that's the plate. The whole thing came to $21. It's got macaroni salad and some other thing. They got a rule: you can't have silverware. This crazy Hawaii, another crazy law they got. No silverware. It has to be disposable. So their whole thing is disposable, whatever they're talking about. All right, that's good. All right, so there's the Rainbow Drive-In. The food was a lot of food, not too expensive. Okay, so that's the Rainbow Drive-In. There's Wong's restaurant too. I don't know what that is. There's the gas. It's $5.33 a gallon. That's not too bad.